Okay, let's talk retirement accounts. I know, it feels super complicated, but honestly, it really just boils down to one simple question. When do you want to pay your taxes? Today, we're going to break down the Roth versus the traditional IRA, a choice that could absolutely change your financial life.
I want you to think about this for a second. What if one single choice you make today could literally cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxes by the time you retire? That is not an exaggeration. The stakes in picking the right retirement account are incredibly high, and getting it right is just crucial.
So yeah, we're calling this a high-stakes choice for a reason, because it is. This isn't just about, opening another bank account. It's about choosing a long-term tax strategy that's either going to work for you or against you for decades.
Look, if all the rules and jargon around IRAs make your head spin, you are definitely not alone. So our goal here, let's just cut through all that noise and put this in plain, simple English so you can make a choice you feel really confident about.
All right, so it all comes down to this one single question. Do you want to pay your taxes now or pay them later? That's the core difference between the two main types of individual retirement accounts. So let's meet them.
So first up, let's talk about the traditional IRA. Think of this as the tax break today option. You put in money before taxes are taken out, which is awesome because it can actually lower your tax bill for the year. That money grows, and you don't pay any taxes on the growth along the way. But, and this is a big but, the catch is, when you pull that money out in retirement, you're going to pay income tax on all of it. Now, on the other side of the ring, we have the Roth IRA. The Roth is basically the complete opposite. You put in money after you've already paid taxes on it. So you don't get that immediate tax deduction. But here's the magic, right? Your money grows 100% tax-free, and when you take it out in retirement, you pay zero. Nothing. It is all yours.
Okay, let's just hammer this point home because it's the most important thing to get. Traditional IRA, tax break now, pay taxes later. Roth IRA, no tax break now, no taxes later. Got it? That is the fundamental trade-off we're talking about.
Okay, so we've got the basic philosophies down. Now let's really put these two accounts head to head, a little showdown to see how they stack up on the stuff that really matters to you.
And this is where the light bulb really goes on for most people. The traditional IRA gives you that tax break right now. The Roth, you get tax-free withdrawals later. So, who is each one for? Well, a traditional IRA is generally your best bet if you think your income and your tax bracket is going to be lower when you retire. But the Roth IRA, that's the clear winner if you think you're going to be in a higher tax bracket later in life.
Okay, with that in mind, let's zero in on a specific group, young earners. If you're just starting out in your career, which way should you go? The evidence points to a pretty clear winner here.
And yeah, the verdict is in. For the vast majority of young Americans, the Roth IRA is, hands down, the better choice. And that's not just a gut feeling. It's based on just a logical look at how your income and taxes are probably going to change over your lifetime.
So why? Why is the Roth such a slam dunk for young people? Well, there are three really powerful reasons. First, if you look at history, it's a pretty safe bet that taxes are more likely to go up over the long haul, not down. Second, right now, your income is probably the lowest it's ever going to be in your entire career. And third, just imagine having a giant pile of money in retirement that is completely 100% tax-free. That is some serious financial power. The whole strategy is simple. Pay your taxes now while your tax rate is low so you can avoid paying them later when your rate is almost certainly going to be way higher. So let's make this super simple. Here's a quick checklist. Are you in your 20s or 30s? Are you early in your career? Do you expect to make more money down the road? If you're nodding your head yes to those, then you are the poster child for a Roth IRA. Seriously, this account was practically designed for you. But hold on, this isn't a totally one-size-fits-all deal. The Roth isn't always the champion. There are definitely times when getting that immediate tax break from a traditional IRA is actually the smarter play. Let's take a look at when that might be.
You see, the traditional IRA really comes into its own for people who are at their peak earning years. If you're in a high tax bracket right now, that tax deduction can save you a ton of money today. It's also the right call if you genuinely expect your income to drop in retirement. Maybe you plan to move somewhere cheaper or just work part-time.
All right, we have covered a lot of ground here, from the nitty-gritty definitions to the big picture strategies. But if you walk away remembering just one thing, let it be this super simple rule to help you decide. So here it is, this simple rule of thumb. If your income is relatively low now, but you expect to earn more later, go with the Roth IRA.
If you're at your peak earnings now and expect to be in a lower tax bracket in retirement, the traditional IRA is probably your smarter choice. See, it's all about one thing: paying your taxes when your rate is the lowest.
And that really brings us to the final and maybe most important question. This isn't just about spreadsheets and tax codes, it's about giving a gift to your future self. So take a second. Think about where you are today and where you're headed. Which choice is the 70-year-old version of you going to thank you for making? The right answer is right there for you to grab.